business model slides. How will you make money? Common mental models. Orientation is a word I'm going to use all the time. If you disorient them and they're like, I still don't know, why did you give me that fancy business model? Like it's very disorienting. You can stick to just, if you're ad supported, just say you're ad supported. Don't try to like, jazz it up. You don't have to be embarrassed about the fact that Facebook is ad supported, right? It's not like it delegitimizes the business. Or your Airbnb, you take 10% of every transaction. Anybody can understand that. My son, who's 11 years old, could understand that. One-time charge, subscription, whatever. Don't try to rename these things and they're like, we're a hybrid ad, consumer, blah, blah, blah. It's like they just think you're trying to hide something. Just tell them exactly how you're making money. So look at Airbnb's slide. We take a 10% commission on each transaction, 10.6 million trips, $20, 200 million. I mean, anybody could look at that slide and know exactly what it is. They didn't try to like reinvent the percentage commission stuff. They used words that are easily understood, common language.